Hey everyone, I'm here at the Dollar Tree. We're here to see all of their new Christmas items for 2024. Okay, I cannot believe that I found these. This is absolutely new this year. These are candy cane spoons, peppermint flavored, so you could put these in your hot chocolate. And I also found chocolate stirring spoons. These are so exciting. I remember seeing these everywhere last year, but now Dollar Tree has them. Go stock up now. DIY ornaments. These are so neat, and it looks like, oh, that one's a little broken, but here they are. It looks like you can open them up. Maybe you could put some different things in them. This seems to be a very popular item. Maybe you could put some mini trees in there. Look at these Christmas trees. These are really nice and cute. You've got some mini pom-poms, different colors, some silver trees, and even some tiny bells. This is the first that I've seen at the Dollar Tree bringing out their own gingerbread house kit for $1.25. It has the gingerbread kit, icing that's ready to go, plus sprinkles. What a fun project this would be. Definitely get some of these. We're definitely putting these in the cart. House decor. Now these are made of that like tinsel that you would put around your Christmas tree, those tinsel garlands. They've got some ornaments, some nutcrackers. I see a penguin and even some elves and some pretty Christmas trees. They even match. They have some tabletop Christmas trees. They have a little jewel and a red little star. And look at that cute little truck, and it says Merry Christmas. They have a camper home decor, so if you are in an RV, living in an RV, that would be really cute. They've got some more trucks. They have a ton of different tabletop Christmas trees. This is like an iridescent color. They have a gold one. Then they even have some blue iridescent and like a silver iridescent. Look how pretty those are. They have some countdown to Christmas calendars. They have a snowman, and they also have this reindeer one. So that's always fun for the kids. And it looks like that is like Velcro, and then you just stick it on. Super easy. As always, Dollar Tree is always bringing in these wooden type decors. They have a lot to choose from this year. I love this one right here, kind of giving you a little wooded vibe. Dollar Tree does also have a lot of wrapping paper that are very unique. They even have Mickey. Now, I don't know what the value of these are. You might do better going to Costco and getting your wrapping paper there. They also have a package of bows for $1.25. These are giving me a very vintage vibe with this old looking Santa. He's so cute, and he's got some different hats. They have some blue, red, and they even have one with a little white. They've got some gold pine cones. Look at these nice little jingle Christmas metal ornaments. Of course, they've got some of these. I've seen these every year, and they have those in silver, red, and gold. They also have them in the plaid, and they have a little pine cone on top. Look at this little ice skating lad. They even have a lot of this wooded theme, which actually would match my tree very well. Oh my gosh, look at the little owl and the deer. That's so cute, the reindeer. They have these in different kind of snowflake. I'm loving this one right here. I haven't seen this one. This looks new this year. Here is like the winter wonderland theme. I kind of like it how they have different areas and kind of themed out, but these are beautiful. They're all kind of white and cream. Look at this owl. Oh, $1.25. It's like fuzzy on the back, and it's got these glitter trees, and so cute. I love that. They have this huge snowflake that's pretty big. Here are some blue icicles. This is new this year. This light up icicles. You get 2 of them, and they probably take some kind of a battery. You get 2 of these, and that would be really fun to put on your Christmas tree. Dollar Tree has a ton of poinsettias, so you can make a nice little tablescape arrangement. Looks like they have some red ones. This is kind of like a fuzzy velvety texture. This is like a snow-capped branches. They have these holiday bay leaves, and it's got a little iridescent and glitter to each of the leaves. These are smaller DIY ornaments. Lots of bells, a foam scatter. So these would be good like on a tablescape. You could just scatter those on your tablescape. Oh, here is a new DIY ornament. So it kind of looks like a mason jar in a way, but you could open that up and fill that up with so many different things. For example, you could do some little bells. You could put some faux snow in there. Oh, that's kind of heavy. also finding these other DIY ornaments. So this is like a light bulb. They also have this little snow globe. Yeah, DIY snow globe. So you can make your own DIY. That would actually be fun. Like if you have a little craft to do with the kids on Christmas Day. Whoa, look at the jumbo ornaments. These are really huge. Look how big those are. They have those in blue, red, and gold. These are the tinsel garlands that they have. So these are those cute little gnomes on them. They have it in green. They also have it in like a white as well. So if you're going for that theme, I like these right here. These are heavy. These will look really cute like on a shelf or even on a windowsill. Here is some more tinsel. You have some silver with some light bulbs. You have this green one, which seems to be pretty popular. They have some gold. They have some red and some gold and silver and blue and silver. $1.25. These are the bows that they have. All red. I don't think these are new this year. I think these are what they had last year. Some little bells. Look at these. Now, what would you do with these? I'm not sure. They have gold, red, silver. This one right here, maybe you could use these as part of your crafts. You even have one like with a little wreath. These doorknob hangers are really nice. They have them in red, green, and gold, so those would be great. Oh, they even sound looking. Oh, they sound really nice. These are so much fun, these LED lights. Now these are battery operated, so you will need batteries, but these are so much fun. You can put these on your windowsill or even in some of those DIY ornaments. They've got some snowflakes, even some little light bulbs here. And it looks like they have this snowflake as well. Oh, look at this little deer. It's like a crystal clear deer. If you want to get dressed up for the holidays, they have some reindeer headbands. They have an elf headband and even a tie. Light up necklaces are so much fun. We usually get these every year, and we do, like our little town has like this little stroll and you go through the different shops, and these are always so much fun to wear. This is a new one. Look at the snowman light up wireless LED light. These have been misplaced. I did not see a whole bunch of these. Not a Sour Patch kind of a gal, but these are hilarious. These are coal shaped and they taste like black raspberry. Oh, an LED projector light. That's what it's going to project. That is fun. Okay, so it does require batteries, but that would be kind of fun for a kid in their room. They have a ton of holiday socks, and these are super soft, nice and cozy. These would make great stocking stuffers. And for the bakers in the family, they have these baking cups right here. They have them in the regular size, and they also have them in the smaller mini size. And they also have these nice trays in green and this red big one. And I like these because you could like buy these, use them once and throw them away if you wanted to, instead of like keeping them all year long, because they are big and want kind of a funky shape. So sometimes it's hard to just store them. Oh, these are really nice little bucket here. It says Farm Fresh Christmas Trees. So that'd be good to put all of your Christmas cards in. I also found the Santa Snowman light wired light over here in a different section. And they also have the snowman. Oh wow, for $1.25 you can get this little lantern, and it's an LED candle. That's a good deal. Now it is pretty light, I will say. I can feel it. It's kind of cheap, and it comes in white, red, and green. Here is another LED projector. It does take some batteries, but look, this is what it will project. You got a snowflake, a bell, and a tree and a sleigh, and even a present. These are going fast. Oh, they have one in green. Okay, Dollar Tree is just going nuts with these LED wired lights. Look how cute that one is. And if you just want something plain, they do offer those as well. And they come in different colors. Green. This one is a blue. And they have a red. They have these 11-inch Christmas trees, and they come in white or just your regular green. Now it says it's 11 inches in diameter by 18 inches. So that'd be fun for like little kids to have that in their own room, and they could decorate their own little Christmas tree. 4-foot inflatable snowman for $5. I did see these lanterns. They had these in a fall themed. Now they have them in the Christmas snow theme, which, oh my God, I love these. I did buy one for our fall and put it outside. These are just as cute, and I really love them. Dollar Tree does have the knockoff elf on the shelf, and these are only $1.25. So if you do that and you want to do it this year, this is a cheaper option. And here is all of the miniature ornaments for those little trees. even have the tree skirts. We have our cookies for Santa. And here is the mug, and they also have like the matching plate. They have the Santa one. They have the snowflakes in red with the red cup. Now these new organizing bins are not in the Christmas aisle, but holy cow, these are very nice. They've got some square ones, so these would be great for just putting around the house during the Christmas time to organize, whether you need to organize your holiday cards. Maybe you could store your ornaments in there. They do have their Christmas glasses out. This is like a snow top Christmas tree. These are really nice. They have like the tall ones and the short ones. They also have these Christmas glasses as well with the poinsettias. This one is a cute little, this one is a wreath, then it says happy holidays, and they have some with a little bit different shape. Not sure what shape that is, but it has snowflakes on them. These are also new glasses this year. These have the snowflakes on them. So they have the tall ones, and they also have this size, which I think I just showed you. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree preview. If you did, be sure to give it a like if you can, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.